morning. My name is Sarkar from ADARSH SHANKAR Mountain. Today I am going to teach you mathematics of class 9 and today's topic is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is a branch of mathematics in which the algebra is used in geometry. In earlier classes in 8th standard also we have done the graph paper. On graph paper we plotted the points. So here that is called the coordinate geometry. So a Cartesian coordinate system is a coordinate system that specifies each point unequally a plane by a pair of numerical coordinates which are assigned distance to the point from two fixed perpendicular direct lines measured in the same unit of length. So this is the Cartesian coordinate system. Cartesian coordinate is nothing but in a graph paper we know in a graph paper there are the boldest lines. These are the horizontal lines. Actually, these are considered as x-axis, and these are some boldest line, and these are generally called y-axis. So vertical lines. These are some vertical lines, and these are horizontal lines. So what we do in Cartesian coordinate system, we locate a point. We find the location of a point on a graph. That is what is the location of a point. A point is there, and it has no length, no breadth, but its location can be ascertained. So we know that location of any point is represented on a graph in two-dimensional system. That is the Cartesian plane. So in plane, in a graph paper, you know that these are the boldest lines. So in between these, we prepare one y-axis, one x-axis. So this is as x-axis, and this is as y-axis. So x-axis is the horizontal axis, and y-axis is the vertical axis. So in graph paper we prepare this is as x-axis and this is as y-axis. So in the boldest line there are the two axes, and these two axes divide a plane into four parts. These are the four quadrants. So these are called quadrants. So this is the known as first quadrant. This is the first quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. And this is fourth quadrant. So there are the four quadrants. So these are the four quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. So in a graph paper, whenever we prepare two axes, we draw two axes, x-axis and y-axis. There are four quadrants in K. And first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. So horizontal axis is called x-axis, vertical axis is called y-axis, and two axes divided into four quadrants. And where these two axes meet, that is the intersecting point of these two axes. Intersecting point of the two axes is known as origin. O-R-I-G-I-N. This is called origin. Intersecting point of two axes is called origin. So intersecting point of two axes is called origin, and the coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Coordinate of origin 0, 0. So coordinate of origin is 0, 0. And equation of x-axis is called y equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is called x equal to 0. But the most important thing and interesting thing is that we know that here this is the number line. So we know that here this is x positive, and in the left hand side this is x negative, because it is 0. So from 0 this is positive direction, in right hand side this is positive direction, and left hand side this is negative direction. So in positive direction we get this is plus and plus, because x is also positive and y is also positive. So y is positive in upward side, y is positive in upward side, and downside y is negative. So this quadrant is x positive and y positive. So both are positive, x positive and y positive. In this second quadrant, if we come to here, x is negative because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, like this. Here in y-axis, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive, and here it is negative. In the other side, y is negative, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, like this. here in this x positive, y positive. Here in this x negative, because x direction is negative, but y direction is upside. So y is positive. Here in the third quadrant, this is the third quadrant. In third quadrant, x is negative because in this direction, and here it is y is also negative because y is downside. So x and y both are negative. And here in this case, x is positive, but y direction is negative. So this is as a introduction of the coordinate geometry. So in coordinate geometry, what we have learned today, we learned that these are the two axes, horizontal axis and vertical axis. They are called x-axis and y-axis. They meet at a point origin, and coordinate of origin is 0, 0. And equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. So this is all about the coordinate geometry. In the next class, we will know how to plot a point on a graph. Thank you.